Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and for today I have prepared for you a wonderful and simply to make knit stitch. As you can see, the color is pretty. I've chosen this color because it shows clearly how the pattern design looks like, the stitch design looks like. And as you can see, it's quite stretchy. It's probably a very good stitch for the summertime, and as you can see, it's very gentle, it's very beautiful pattern. As you can see, it has like something that hugs the loops, some sort of stitches. You see this effect hugs the loops over and over again on the front row, and then on the back it looks simple on the wrong side and quick to make. As you can see, it's only literally front stitches and purl stitches. So the main row in this pattern, the main row in this pattern is the front row, because this is what decides the pattern to look like in the end on the front row. And as you can see, it's got this beautiful effect. It's stunning. I really was amazed about this pattern, this design, this stitch, and I decided to share it with you on my channel. Hopefully you're going to love it enough for you to make something very beautiful and easy to make garments, quick and easy to knit garments for autumn, especially for coming winters. Even for summertime it will look fantastic, something like this, a stitch like this. By the way, I'm using needles number 5. I have casted on 20 stitches, and my yarn is acrylic yarn. And this is what we do, is to not knit the first loop. So we take it with the right needle and we grab the first loop without knitting it. And the first knitting we do a purl stitch, one purl stitch. Then we do yarn over and we hold it with a finger like so. And we knit these 2 front stitches. Then with the left needle we grab the 3rd loop like so over these 2 loops. Then we knit a purl stitch, yarn over, hold it with a finger, knit 2 front stitches. Then we grab this 3rd loop, which was yarn over. We shouldn't forget to grab it like so, and then we hold it with a finger, the needle, and we wear this loop over this 2 loops, and this is how it creates this kind of like wonderful effect, wonderful line here. And then we knit a purl stitch, then yarn over, 1, 2 front stitches, then we grab the 3rd over the 2 purl stitch, yarn over, 2 stitches, front stitches, grab the third loop and we pass it on to these 2 loops, purl stitch, yarn over to front, we yarn over, we throw it over the 2 front stitches, purl stitch, and then yarn over 2 purl stitches, and we grab the third loop, we throw it over these 2 loops, 2 stitches, and the last one we need as a purl stitch. The last stitch is a purl stitch, and we've made the first row. Now it's time to show you the second row, which is the back of the work is the wrong side, so we grab the first loop, we do not knit it, and we knit what we see this time around. That's why this this pattern is very easy, because you knit what you see. So 2 purl stitches followed by front stitch, so we knit 2 purl stitches, then 1 front stitch, 2 purl stitches, 1 front stitch, 2 purl stitches, 1 front stitch, and so on. It's very easy even for beginner to do this pattern. So, and the last one is a purl, the last stitch is a purl. So this is what you need to do, is repeat these 2 rows. So the first one we do not knit, a purl stitch, and then yarn over, we need the 2 front stitches, and we grab the third over these 2 front stitches, and it's easy as that. So I wish you luck in doing beautiful garments with this pattern, with this stitch, and please tag me, and please subscribe and leave comments to make sure other people are able to see this pattern. Put likes please, and I hope this pattern will give you beautiful results in your projects. So this is how it looks like. It's fantastic. I'm just absolutely in love with this pattern. It's fantastic, amazing, easy to make, easy to do. So I hope you love it. So see you soon in my next videos, and sending much love to you all. And don't forget to watch my next videos and my older videos with my tutorials, and see you soon in my next videos. And I welcome you over and over again, and please don't forget to knit beautiful things, and see you soon. Love you. Bye.